Ciao svima, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stefan. You can find me on Instagram by the name stefanttt or in English stefanttt. And the country I decided to do a review on for today is Croatia. Now, if you want to know what I think about this year's Croatians' performance on Eurovision and what is my rating of it, then keep on watching. First of all, I'd like to use this opportunity to say hello to all my friends in Croatia. I have a few of them, and for all of you out there, this video is for you. Serbia and Croatia have this really specific relationship. You know what I'm saying? For Serbians, Croatia is like this ex-girlfriend that decided to hang out with the big guys, with Germany, with France, with Austria, and we're like, we're left behind. Croatia left us. However, once in a while, we really love to give each other, you know, those night visits that we both enjoy so much. All jokes aside, I really love Croatia. I love Croatia in Eurovision. And I am extremely happy that we young people are finally breaking the obstacles between these two nations. We all know what happened in the 90s, and finally with us, we are overcoming that. We are visiting each other. We are friends again. And I just want to say to all the people, don't listen to politicians, guys. Let's just respect and love each other, because after all, we cannot live without each other. Let's face it. This is one of the countries that still hasn't won the Eurovision. As for the previous years, I absolutely loved Severina. Even though Croatians would probably be like, no, that was such a shame to send. No, I don't think so. That was so fun. Everybody knew it, everybody were singing it, and my absolute favorite Croatian representer in Eurovision was Nina Badić with the song Nebo. Ma sve ti nebo vrati I zapamti svaki dug, svako od nas sanja. I absolutely love that song. It was such an emotional performance, and it was such a real art on the stage, and I really respect a lot of Croatian artists. Now, for this year, they hosted their national selection called Dora. In the previous years, I actually was watching Dora, but this year they held their national selection when we Serbs had ours as well. So, you know, I really needed to see if Hurricane is gonna win or not. So I missed Dora this year. Oh, this is such a deja vu. I really think this happened. Does this happen to you guys? This year, Croatia chose their representative in Dora. His name is Damir Kedžo. To be honest, I have never heard about this guy. I thought that Colonia is gonna win because Colonia is one of the biggest bands in this part of the world. So this came really as a surprise when this guy won. His song's name is Divji, Vjetre. And I think this is a ballad. One of my Croatian friends told me, please review the Croatian song. I think it's awful. Is it awful? Is it great? I don't know that. Let's not waste our time and let's just see what this song is all about. All right, Croatia, here we go.
Jednom kad zaboraviš mi ime I krevet hladan postane Kao snijegom okovane zime Kad ništa ne preostane Ja ću te voljeti tak Divji vjetre.
I've got my chills on. Like, his voice is mesmerizing. I'm already loving it, like with the drums, with, I don't know, it really has some cool flow. Let me hear.
U tišini ostavi me gdje sam Svaka riječ sad prostaje Odlazi
Cameras on point, staging on point.
I pusti me da ne znam Kako čovjek postaje Ono što nisi više
Staging, Croatia! Nice!
Divji vjetre tu na moj prag Uvelo lišće donesi mi I kišu neka ostaje
Ostaje mi tuga u bojama jeseni. Beautiful.
Ono što nisi više,
Hladna kao kiša ledena, kada voljet prestaneš. I kidaj grane neukrotivo, al prije nego nestaneš. Divji vjetre, tu na moj prag, u belom lišće donesi mir i kišu neka ostavi trag. Tuge u bojama jeseni, a činilo se zauvijek smo, dušom i tijelom zaneseni. Ostaje mi tuga u bojama jeseni, tuga u bojama jeseni, tuga u bojama jeseni.
divji vjetre, tu na moj prag,
Lišće donesi mi
i kišu neka ostavi trag.
tuge u bojama jeseni,
And now,
a činilo se zauvijek smo, dušom i tijelom zaneseni. Ostaje mi tuga u bojama jeseni.
this is... This really left me speechless. I'm so overwhelmed with emotions right now. This performance just made me feel as Norway, but in a completely different direction. Like, my heart is so warm after I'm hearing this. Maybe some of you will say, oh, you're so pathetic, like what the fuck are you talking about? No guys, like this is so beautiful. This is like a really high quality ballad, high quality song. It really has the strong emotions behind, and the big plus is it's in Croatian, which is very similar to Serbian. We understand each other completely, and those words that he's saying, they're just a beautiful metaphor for the relationship he is singing about. And this is also a very relatable thing. So he is singing about a relationship that's come to an end. So they need to break up because one of the people in relationship is just not ready to settle, and the other is so ready, and that kind of relationship just cannot work. So he is sad, but in a way he's also happy, because you know what they say, if you love somebody you really need to let him or her go. And this song speaks to me that. Such a beautiful ballad. His vocals are on point, and like those back vocals, they add such extraness that every time they jump in, I got my chills on, my hairs are up to the ceiling. And I don't know guys, I don't know why my friend told me that that they are like, oh, did you see what we're gonna send to Eurovision? Because this is beautiful. This screams to me old Eurovision, but not old Eurovision like those, you know, dance songs, but like the really powerful ballads that we all loved during Eurovision. And I'm so happy that Croatia decided to send this act. This guy, Damir Kedžo, he really has a great vocal range, and the color of his voice, it's so pleasant, it's so calm. He really knows his boundaries and he's not going across. Everything is exact. Dun, 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 dun. There is no way that this is gonna flop in Eurovision. I definitely see that this is going to the finals. Is it gonna qualify amongst top 10? I don't think so, because Eurovision fans love different things. They are more about the catchy song, but my Croatian guys, this is not an embarrassment. You should be proud of your representative, because he really is going to represent Croatia in the best possible way, in the best possible musical way, because this is a really good song. It's something I will listen after this. I can feel his emotion while he's singing it. And the staging in Dora, the staging is on point. Honestly, for this performance, I don't know if I would change anything. Of course, on Eurovision stage, everything is bigger, you know, there are more options, but this doesn't need any options because the song by itself is the most powerful thing here. This really is, when we say we're choosing the best song for Eurovision, this really is all about the song, about the emotion behind the song, about the message from the song, which is very relatable to all of us. And I believe that Damir will bring it on Eurovision stage. I'm so happy. I am like really happy, people, that Croatia is giving us a flashback on old Eurovision. I cannot stop smiling after this. Like, I think that I know that a lot of you will say, "Oh, please stop it," but no, this is giving me such a positive energy. Even though it's not a happy song, it really warms my heart. When you love somebody, you really need just to let it go, and this is what this song tells to all of us. The name is Wild Wind, which is actually the great representation for that person who is a wild wind. You just cannot capture it because it's all over the place. So let it go, because you know it is the best for all of us. He says, "I am going to be sad, I'm going to think about you, but that's okay. That's just okay." And all of you out there, you need to know that that's just a normal feeling. And yeah, just listen to this song again, enjoy it. And Croatia, for me, this is honestly good job. What is my final rating of the song? Drum rolls, please. Damir Kedžo, Divji Vjetre, is going to get an 8 from me. I felt the song, I enjoyed every word he said, I enjoyed his vocals. Everything that happened on the stage really blew my mind. This really is subjective feeling, but I cannot help it. Damir Kedžo, good job and good luck in Rotterdam. Thank you so much for watching me today, guys. If you like this video, please do like and do subscribe to my channel. And tell me, what do you think about this performance? Do you think, as my Croatian friends, that this song is awful? Or you feel as me and you think this is such a beautiful song? Tell me everything, because I'm reading it all. Thank you one more time and see you in the next video. Bye bye!